Do you ever feel like you're losing a little bit of money every month and you can't figure out exactly where it's going? I know I did. I was tired of staring at confusing bank statements and realizing I was paying for subscriptions I forgot even existed. That's exactly why I started using Rocket Money. It's an app that's built to simplify your finances, and if you're a beginner like I was, there are 3 features you absolutely need to know about. 1. Subscription management. This is, honestly, the game-changer feature. As soon as I linked my bank accounts, which is totally secure, by the way, Rocket Money instantly scanned everything and presented me with a single, clear list of every single recurring charge. Not just your obvious Netflix or Spotify, but things like old free trials, gym memberships, or that cloud storage you signed up for years ago. For a beginner, this is incredible because it eliminates the financial blind spots. I found 3 forgotten subscriptions on my first pass. The best part? For many of them, I could hit a button right in the app, and Rocket Money's concierge service would actually cancel it for me. It saved me the pain of calling customer service and sitting on hold. That alone made the app worth it for me. 2. Spending insights and budgeting. Before Rocket Money, my budget was basically guessing how much was left in my checking account. This app changed that by taking all my transactions across all my linked accounts and automatically organizing them into categories, like groceries, entertainment, or shopping. The key for beginners is the Spending Insights view. It gives you a clear, color-coded pie chart of where your money is going month to month. You can spot the categories where you're overspending instantly, which is the first step to creating a realistic budget. From there, you can actually set up budgeting goals for those categories, and the app will alert you if you're getting close to your limit. It's simple, visual, and takes the stress out of tracking. 3. Financial goals, automated savings. If you struggle to save consistently, this feature is the ultimate autopilot. It's called Financial Goals, and it's a smart way to put money aside without even thinking about it. Here's how I use it. I set a goal, like emergency fund, and the app analyzes my cash flow and spending patterns. Then, it automatically transfers small, safe amounts of money from my checking account into my savings goal account every few days. The transfers are intelligent. It knows not to move money if your checking balance is low, helping you avoid overdrafts. It turns saving from a manual chore into an effortless background process. This is how I started building my savings cushion without feeling any pressure. These 3 features, subscription management for cutting out waste, spending insights for understanding your habits, and financial goals for automated savings, are the perfect starting point to take control of your money. It's less about complicated financial models and more about simple, actionable steps. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.